Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Yasin, Edwards College, Peshawar, Pakistan. Dear student, today we will discuss about the idea of a point with respect to a line, whether the point is lie on the line, above the line or below the line. For example, there is a line, say L1, and the standard form of the line equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And for example, there is a point, say x1 y1. These points may be lie on the line, this point may be lie above the line, and it may be lie below the line. How we find the point is lie on the line, above the line or below the line, and the line equation is in this case is given. What is the criteria? What is the method to handle this situation, to check the points lie above or below or on the line? So we find the position of a point with respect to line. The methodology is that position of a point with respect to a line. For example, there is a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard equation or general equation of a straight line. First case is that there is a point, say x1 y1 is above the line. There is a one mean a line, a point is above the line if ax1, if we replace point x by x1, x1 there is a real value 1 2 3 4, y1 is a value. So if we replace x by x1 and y by y1 plus c, if this is greater than 0 and b in this case is also greater than 0, it means that both having same sign. After putting the points in the line and b values gives us greater than 0, it means that same sign, then the point is lie above the line. For example, in diagram there is a line L1 and there is a point x1 y1 and there is a equation. If we replace x by x1 and y by y1, and if after putting this result is greater than 0 and b is also in this case is greater than 0, then it means that the a is lie above the line. Second may be possibility, if we replace x by x1 and y by y1 plus c is less than 0 and b is also less than 0, it means that this case is similar to like a same sign, ax1 plus by1 plus c is less than 0 as well as b is also less than 0. So in this case the point is lie above the line. This is case 1 and there is two possibilities, same sign in both case, positive positive, negative negative, it means that point lie above the line. Second case is that a point x1 y1 which is below, if there is two possibility, if ax1 plus by1 plus is less than 0 and b is greater than 0, it means that opposite sign is there. This after putting the point line gives a negative result and b is greater than 0, opposite sign, it means that the point is lie below the line. For example, in diagram or graphically, if there is a line, in this case if we replace x by x1 and b by y1, if there is less than 0 and b is in this case is for example positive, then a is lie below the line. If ax1 plus by1 plus c is greater than 0 and b is less than 0, it means that opposite sign. In both case sign are opposite, but there are two possibilities. This one is less than 0, this one is greater than 0, this one is greater than 0, and this is less than 0. So in this case point lie below the line. So simple is that if having same sign, then point lie above the line. If both have opposite sign, then point lie below the line. So there is an example, simple check position of a point A 2 minus 1 first part, and there is a point 4 comma 5, check the position of this point with respect to this line, and there is clearly a line and line graph is there. For example, the line is given x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Draw the graph of this line to verify whether these results are okay or not. So x plus y, this can be written as x over 3 plus y over 3 is equal to 1. How? Minus 1 to the right, this is plus. So x plus y, divide 3 on both sides. So x over 3 plus y over 3 is equal to 1. It means that two intercept form. So on x axis how many units are there? X intercept 1 2 3. So there is a x intercept is 3. On y axis 1 2 3. So join these two intercept, we have the graph of a line. So clearly it is the graph of line L1. So standard form is that 1x plus 1y minus 3 is equal to 0. Compare with standard form, in this case A is 1, B is 1 and C is minus 3. B is 1 and 1 is greater than 0, it means that P is positive. So we check the points whether lie above or below the line. So clearly criteria is that x1 y1 is above the line. If we replace and this gives us greater than 0 as well as B is also greater than 0, it means that same sign is there. So replace x1 by x1 in equation number 1, y replaced by y1 minus 3, but x1 in this case is 2, so put 2, y1 in this case is minus 1 and there is minus 3, and simplify that this is this gives us in this case is minus 2. B is in this case is greater than 0, and after putting the point the line gives us negative result. It means that opposite sign mean B is positive in this case, and after putting the point line gives us negative result. So opposite sign, so point lie below the line. Which one case is that? There is B is greater than 0, but after putting the point line gives us a negative result. So it means that point lie below the this line. So clearly in graph point, draw point on x axis 2 units is there, on y axis minus 1. Point is in this case is in quadrants number 4, and clearly point lie below the line, and criteria is also verify because in this case both have opposite sign. B is positive and after putting the point line gives us negative result. It means that the point lie below the line because they have opposite sign. Another point is there 4 comma 5. Check whether it is lie above or below. So replace x1 by 4 and y1 by 5 minus 3, same line, and two different cases are there. So x1 is 4, so after simplification 6 is greater than 0, and B is in this case is also, B values is 1, B is greater than 0 and 6 is also, it means that both have same sign. So same sign, it means that the point is lie above the line, and clearly graphically x is 1 2 3 4 and on y axis 1 2 3 4 5. So point is clearly above the line, graphically is also crystal and clear, but criteria is also in this case verify because both have same sign. 6 is greater than 0, 1 is greater than 0, so same sign, so point lie above the line. So we summarize, if a point is given and how to check whether the point lie above the line or below the line. If we replace point in the line and gives a result positive and b value is also positive, it means that same sign, so point is lie above the line. If we replace point x1 y1 and gives a negative result, it means that less than 0, and b is also less than 0, it means that also same sign but negative negative. So in both case the point is lie above the line. But in case of if we replace x by x1, b by y1, y by y1 and less than 0 and b is greater than 0, it means that opposite sign, one is negative, one is positive. Second one, if this one is positive and this one is negative, it means that opposite sign. So in this case point must be lie below the line, and this is the crystal and clear example. In this case 4, 5 is above the line, and clearly because b and the line gives same sign, it means that greater than 0. So clearly in the graph point is lie above the line, but in this case the point is graphically is below the line, and clearly by the method b is positive, but the line after putting the value of x1 y1 line gives us negative, it means that opposite sign, so point is clearly below the line. For example, if there is a point, another point, say 2 comma 2, it means that on x axis how many units are there? 2 units, and on y axis how many units are? It means that 2 units. If we replace there 2 plus 2, 4, 4 minus 3, it means that 4 minus 3 is 1 is greater than 0, 1 is greater than 0, and b is also in this case is 1 which is greater than 0, it means that point is above the line, and clearly point is above the line. If we take another point, maybe there is a 1 1, so replace 1 1, 1 plus 1 2 minus 3, so this is minus 1 which is less than 0, and b is greater than, it means that opposite sign, and clearly point is below the line. So it is crystal and clear how to find the position of a point with respect to a line. Check, there is another point, say 1 4 part, there is a point C14, check whether this point is lie above the line, below the line or on the line. So in this case clearly x1 is 1, y1 this case is 2. So putting in equation number 1, x1 is x plus y1 is in this case is 2 minus 3, and this is equal to 0. It means that point is lie on the line because it satisfied this equation, and clearly on x axis how many units are there? 1 units, and how many units are there? 2 units. It means that on x axis 1, y axis 2, so there is 1 comma 2, and clearly the point C in this case is lie on the, sorry, say this is point D because it is part 4 and part 3 C. So there is a point D, and D is clearly in this case is like that, there is a line, and how many units are there? 1, so there is 1 on x axis 2, and there is a point D 1 comma 2, and in this case the point is lie on the line, because if we replace, result is that if we replace x by x1, y by y1 in equation 1, ax1 plus by1 plus c, if it gives us 0, it means that the point lie on the line. Also whether the 2 points lie on the same line or opposite sign, and we conclude this idea in this example. For example, check whether the points A or B lie on the same line or opposite sign. So simply putting the points in the line, if we replace A in the line, there is a result is negative. If we replace the point B in the line, there is a result is positive. So opposite sign, in this case one point gives a negative result and one gives us a positive. It means that opposite signs. So in this case point lie on opposite sign of a line, and clearly A's lie below the line and B's lie above the line, and this is the idea of a point with respect to a line, and it is all about the position of a point with respect to a line. Dear students, thank you very much. To be continued. Allah Hafiz.